What's going on my winners? I'm Joey Winning from Winning Tints. At any time you want to skip to a specific part of this video, feel free to hit one of the timestamps and move around at your leisure. Today we're bringing you the Audi RSQ8, and the customer decided they want to match the front to the back with 20% nano ceramic, which is our highest quality film. Now let's look at Audi's original design on the beautiful RSQ8. Let's check out the stock rims. The black and anthracite are matching very nicely with the color scheme. In my opinion, Audi has always produced some of the best stock rims for their vehicles. Gliding around to the backside of this SUV, we start to notice some of the details, like this dual exhaust surrounded by carbon fiber. And it's paired up with a playful grille-style bumper, adding to the sport aesthetic. The taillights have an animated feature that any level of car enthusiast can appreciate. This lighting system sits on top of a carbon fiber strip, giving very nice attention to detail. Shooting to the front side of this vehicle, we can see this very nice black chrome grille, and it's completely stock despite such an aftermarket look. The encasement of this grille is surrounded by carbon fiber, doubling up even on the bumper lip. As you can see here, the headlights follow suit with the same animated feature. The side mirrors will have you staring back at traffic in a much more fashionable sense with more carbon fiber additives. Taking a peek inside, you are instantly greeted with a smooth Nappa leather. The interior is outlined with red stitching, giving more to the notion of an exotic sport vehicle. The steering wheel is tightly wrapped with a very nice suede material, giving a certain level of elegance that can make any driver smile. The info system has multiple screens to enhance driver preference and to personalize and call your own. Fun fact about Audi, the Audi group purchased Lamborghini in 1998. That's why you can see so many Audi parts like the suspension, rear steering, control arms, and dampers in the Lamborghini Urus. Do we dare call it the RSQ8's little brother? Let's strap in for the journey that led Lamborghini up to its current status with Audi. Lamborghini first started out in 1948 as a tractor company, 3 years after World War II, utilizing military surplus vehicles. Ferruccio Lamborghini's success made him a fan of the finer things in life, like this Ferrari GT250. After finding out it had mechanical flaws, he approached Enzo Ferrari face to face.
You're stealing from people. You're charging 10 times what it cost me to put a better clutch in my tractor.
Do you know what they say about Lamborghini? That he's too uneducated to understand what he doesn't know.
This event between the two would send shockwaves in the car community for generations to come. Lamborghini became Ferrari's #1 competitor and adored by so many American icons that have influenced our culture. Whether it be music or boxing, many major names have acquired a taste for Lamborghini's longevity in cars. Unfortunately, Ferruccio's success outlived him. Through the company's trials and tribulations, he would never get to experience the height that Lamborghini reached after the Audi group bought the company 5 years later. Moving forward to 2023, let's compare the RSQ8 to the Urus. The RSQ8 starts at $115,000 with 592 horsepower, making it a 3.6 second car from 0 to 60. The Lamborghini Urus starts at $234,000, making the price difference $119,000. The Urus has 65 more horsepower, making it a 3.1 second car. After reviewing the chart, we can see that the only real big gap between these two cars is going to be landing in the price point. For the $120,000 price difference, would you rather get 2 RSQ8s, maybe a his and hers, or are you looking for that Italian badge and body style? Even though the customer came in for tint, remember to bring your favorite Lamborghini to get wrapped. Perhaps your S-Class, or even your GTI. Trust in us to get your Range Rover Sport fully wrapped, including its lights. We even offer detailing on site. Let's pull this car inside for the winning team to begin another tint installation. As we look at this car inside, we can see the 0% privacy versus the 20% privacy that we're about to match right now. As you can see, this is a frameless window, so we're always going to get as close as we can to that edge for our customers. For all our viewers out there, I just want to remind you guys that we take many safety measures to ensure the integrity and safety of your vehicle. Now that the installation process is complete, let's take one last look at the final product inside before we put it in the sun. The customer was just as satisfied as we were. Guys, we love and take our job very seriously, ensuring quality work every time. As we wave goodbye to the Audi RSQ8, let's see how the tints look in the sun. I would say that this customer is now winning. I want to remind you that we now offer 100-day interest-free financing. So if you like what we did to this Audi RSQ8, don't hesitate to come in and apply today so you too can be a winner, as we're winning from coast to coast with multiple locations. My name is Joey Winning. Thank you for watching.